Hey there, pet lovers. Welcome back to Dear Doggy. Today, we are diving into a fun and fascinating topic, the sounds that make our furry friends go absolutely bonkers. We are talking about those squeaky noises that send dogs into a frenzy of excitement and playfulness. So, let's get into it. Have you ever noticed how your dog reacts to squeaky toys? It's like magic. 1 minute they're calm, and the next, they're bouncing off the walls. But why does this happen? To understand this, we need to take a look at the science behind the squeak. Dogs have a highly developed sense of hearing. They can detect frequencies ranging from 40 Hz to 60,000 Hz, far beyond the range of human hearing. Squeaky toys produce high-pitched noises that fall right into a dog's sweet spot, making these sounds irresistible to them. These high-pitched sounds mimic the noises made by small prey animals, like rodents. This triggers your dog's natural hunting instincts, sparking excitement and playfulness. In other words, when your dog hears a squeaky toy, it's like they're hearing a small animal that they just can't resist chasing. But did you know not all squeaky noises are created equal? Different toys produce different types of squeaks. Some are high and sharp, while others are lower and more drawn out. Each type of squeak can elicit a different reaction from your dog. For example, high-pitched, short bursts tend to make dogs more excited and playful, while lower-pitched, continuous squeaks might make them more curious or even a bit cautious at first. So, how do you choose the perfect squeaky toy for your pup? Consider your dog's size, age, and personality. Larger dogs might prefer sturdier toys with a deeper squeak, while smaller dogs might enjoy lighter toys with a higher pitch. And always make sure the toy is durable and safe. Look for toys made from non-toxic materials and avoid those with small parts that could be chewed off and swallowed. Now that you have the perfect squeaky toy, let's talk about some fun games you can play with your dog. Fetch with a twist. Instead of a regular ball, use a squeaky toy to play fetch. The added sound will make the game even more exciting. Hide and squeak. Hide the squeaky toy somewhere in the house and let your dog use their nose and ears to find it. This is a great way to stimulate their mind and senses. Tug of war. Many squeaky toys are designed for tugging. This game can help build a stronger bond between you and your dog while providing a great workout. There you have it, folks. The squeaky sounds that drive our dogs wild and how you can make the most of them. Remember, the key is to have fun and ensure your pup is safe and happy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow dog lovers, and subscribe to Dear Doggy for more awesome pet content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.